You want one of these? They're from Grandma. Oh boy. Let's see. Oh, what is it? Oh, do you want one? You want one? Ah, yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
oh yeah.
What a good stuff right there that is. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. That's good stuff.
Yeah, we got, but Jules, I got yours in here. Look at she's sniffing for the dog food.
What's that, Jules?
It's from Grandma.
No, Bella, that's for Jules.
Oh, what's in
Bella?
here? No, it's
No.
for Jules. You sit.
Bella,
You sit.
stay.
Girl. Oh, what's in here, Jules? Look. What's in here? You want one of those? Here. Here. Ooh.
Is that
Go
good?
ahead. That's for you. You can eat it. Bella, stop wiggling around. You're making her nervous. Sit.
It's okay, Jules.
Come on, baby. Go ahead. I think she's sniffing where I was standing. But hopefully I won't die. He says, I don't like to be filmed when I'm eating.
You know about me and the FCC. I'm in trouble with the government. They cannot have me on
There
file.
you go. Go ahead. Yum, 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 yum.
Honey. Oh yeah, those are good. Yeah. Those are tasty.
No, these are for the kitty. That's kitty food. You are a puppy. You do not need kitty food. Good girl, Jules. Yeah. No, you can't have any right now. You can have more later.
Bella, you think Grandma?
did.
You say, oh yeah, I do this and I do this. I say, yes, you can catch me. Bella,
No, they're getting put away.
Bella,
They're
what you
getting
do?
put away.
What do you do? Oh yeah, oh yeah. There's gotta be more somewhere. There's gotta be.